Insert bottom ladder leg into adjustable brackets, and then into the upper ladder leg node L to L, R to R. Insert 4 anti-slip strips at the bottom of the step stool 1 as shown. Install the installed long ladder legs onto the step stool 1 as shown nodes L to L, R to R. Install step stool 2 in the middle of left and right ladder legs as shown and secure with nuts. Note the installation direction. Remove the Velcro with back glue and stick it on the pit. Then put the PVC cushion on it and press it once. And insert anti-slip strip on the bottom of the seat. Insert adjusting handle. Insert your retaining board. Install the seat in the middle of left and right ladder legs as shown and secure with nuts. Note the orientation of the seat during installation. Tight screw and nut.